Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another Islamic General Knowledge quiz video. Get ready to play with you rather hardest choices ever. Let's go. Would you rather attend Jummah prayers at the Kaaba in Mecca or the Prophet's Mosque in Medina? Would you rather recite Surah Al-Kahf every Friday or listen to a Jummah khutbah by your favorite scholar? Would you rather give charity before Jummah or after? Would you rather spend your Friday night in prayer or in studying Islamic knowledge? Would you rather have the opportunity to lead Jummah prayers or give the khutbah? Would you rather attend Jummah prayers in a large congregation or a small, quiet mosque? Would you rather read Quran after Jummah or make extra dua for an hour? Would you rather share Jummah Mubarak messages with friends or call your parents? Would you rather spend your Friday evening visiting a sick person or helping someone in need? Would you rather listen to a live Jummah khutbah or a recorded one? Would you rather attend Jummah prayers with your best friend or your mentor? Would you rather prepare a special meal for Jummah or distribute food to the less fortunate? Would you rather teach a child to pray Jummah or help an adult perfect their prayer? Would you rather start your Friday with tahajjud or end it with extra night prayers? Would you rather spend Jummah with your family at home or in a spiritual retreat? Would you rather visit the graveyard on Friday or read an entire juz of the Quran? Would you rather wear your best clothes for Jummah or donate them to someone in need? Would you rather spend Jummah praying for yourself or for the entire Ummah? Would you rather listen to Jummah khutbahs in your native language or in Arabic? Would you rather have a peaceful Jummah prayer experience or a socially engaging one?